So now I go back in with my Denman brush. Little bit of product I do. Hi, well, we'll try to do it this way because I think this is take 5 or 6 and Cato won't let me film a new tutorial for you. Well, the intro is on camera now, so I will get back to you. I will film a new tutorial with all products from iHerb, so it will be available for, I think, all of you. I thought it might be interesting, so. Well, I just detangled my hair and I applied my conditioner, and well, I let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes so I can tell you more about the products that I used to wash my hair. As my shampoo, I use the Mill Creek Keratin shampoo. It is a quite clarifying shampoo, which I love because my hair is fine. And to moisturize, I use these two. Also from Mill Creek, the Keratin conditioner and the Biotin conditioner, and I mix them to get the benefits of both. And I do have to admit that the conditioners do not have that much of slip, so I mixed in this one from Giovanni, the Smooth as Silk conditioner, the normal conditioner, not the leave-in. Well, I rinsed out my conditioner. My hair is pretty wet, and lately I'm not applying my products on soaking wet hair anymore because my hair tends to clump a lot naturally, and when your hair is soaking wet, it promotes clumping, and I'm actually avoiding it a bit. I first divide my hair in 2 sections, so it is a lot easier to apply my products. We have to improvise a bit. Hé, poppendopje, je bent er graag bij, hè? Ja, je bent er graag bij, hè? Maar dat mag gewoon. Ja, dat mag gewoon. Well, I start with the direct leave-in conditioner from Giovanni. And when I started my, well, what would I say, healthy hair journey or curly girl method journey, I started with this product. It is really affordable, which I really love, and it is available for most countries because you can order it at iHerb. It is really lightweight, which is also perfect for fine hair. And it doesn't have glycerin in it, so that makes it perfect for summer. Or when you live in a very humid climate, or when it is very dry. You can use quite a lot because it is so light. With this product, it's okay to use a bit more. Sometimes I use my Denman brush when I see there is a little bit of, well, I call it frizz. For a bit more volume, I use a mousse, and this is the hair styling foam from Giovanni. I love using mousses. I really think it helps to promote volume when you have fine hair. First, focus on the root because that is where I want the volume. And then I scrunch to divide the products. Well, now for hold and definition, I use the LA Styling Gel from Giovanni. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I really love this gel. It has a strong hold, so you do not need that much. Oh, that is Cato. She's in the living room right now. I will be back. Veel te gezellig, hè? Ja. Nou, veel te gezellig. Veel te gezellig. Hey. Yeah. Well, after I applied the gel, now I will apply my homemade Flaxseedgel for that extra shine and extra definition. Grapjes. A bit more. Well, now the other section. This is the, if you can see it, amount of gel that I use. The gel is quite sticky, so you can add a bit more water to your hands. Hey, ga jij de hele boel verbouwen? Nee, we zijn gisteren al in bad geweest. Again, I scrunch a lot to activate the curls. And I finish with my homemade Flaxseedgel. I'll put a link below to the video with the recipe. As you can probably see, my hair is already clumping. Look. So now I go back in with my Denman brush. And if you want to learn more about how I use it and why I use it, I will put a link to another video in which I explain a lot. So, and now the best part comes. This. I love that. Well, see you in a minute. Well, now my hair has been able to dry for about, I think 10 minutes. And I will start diffusing. Well, this hairdryer is far from low budget or anything. But you can use any hairdryer you want. As long as it has a diffuser attachment, because that is really important to avoid frizz. Well, I think my hair is now 90% dry. As you can see, some curls didn't work with me. So for those, I take a little bit more product and a little bit more Flaxseedgel. And with that little bit of product, I define the curls that got frizzy during the diffusing process. The curls that really clump together, like these, I can separate them without getting frizzy because of the product. So now I use my hair pick. I have this one, but I also have a plastic one. It doesn't really matter which one you use. What is really important when using a hair pick, that you focus on the roots. Hey. So with this video, I hope I have been able to show you that it is possible to have great results with very affordable products. So see you next time. Bye.